This is the 40th LeetCode challenge, and it is called Combination Sum 2. Given a collection of candidate numbers, candidates, and a target number, target, find all unique combinations and candidates where the candidate numbers sum to target. Each number in candidates may only be used once in the combination. So if you have 10, 1, 2, 7, 6, 1, 5, and the target is 8, wait, the solution set must not contain duplicate combinations. I think this is the exact same as the previous one. Or maybe my solution for it was... You know, let's go take a look. So I thought it's... Okay, so... You know, let's do this. So I created a duplicate class of combination sum for combination sum 2. But... let's run it without changing it to see if my solution for the previous one is the exact same as the solution for this. Wait. Okay, no, so there is still some stuff we have to do. Okay, so let's get started with it. So if we go over what we did for the first combination, basically we start off with sum 0, we pass in the candidates, which is sorted, we have a target and this list for which numbers are in the current combination. So we go through each of the candidates, we sum it to the current sum, we check to see if it's greater than target. If it is, then we return. If it equals a sum, if it equals a target, then we found a combination. And if it's less than target, then we run it again. So I guess the main thing that needs to be done is we need to remove duplicates from the candidates array, because if there's duplicates, then it makes it much easier to like start off with number 1. And then when we've gone through all the possible combinations, then go to the next number 1 in that array, then it's kind of doing all combinations again. Although that was... Okay, I see what happened. Right, we're not allowed to... Okay, so what we do in here is we remove it before we send it now. Because before we could have duplicates, so we'd do it on the first number, and if it's less than, we then do it on that number again and again and again. And then it would only be when we get back to here, where we've done every single possible combination with that, we then remove it from the list and then pass it forward. So simply removing it from this list should solve it, I think. I put the wrong number as the target here. This is meant to be 8. Okay, so we also need to do another check. So I sorted the array. So what I need to do now is in here, you know what we'll do? Int previous num equals, so what's lowest number that can be? Make that 0. If candidate equals previous num, we remove this and then continue. Then if it doesn't, make previous num equals candidate. Okay, now run that. I somehow just left out a bunch of numbers, but that is looking correct now. Okay, so we will copy the changes we made inside this. Oh wait, no, we need to copy the whole thing. So that's called combination sum 2, so I should probably rename that here. So combination sum 2, basically the same as the first one, first combination sum. But you need to, instead of recursively running it on the same array, you remove the current one from it and you keep going. And then when you go back to the start, you need to make sure you're not running it on the same previous number, because you'll get the same results. Or I should say, whenever you're running it, remove the current number when you go to the next iteration, but then also make sure you're not, during that iteration, running the same function as what you've already done. Okay, so run on test ones. Yep, so those were both accepted, so submit. And that was accepted. Yep, so that was the 40th LeetCode challenge called Combination Sum 2. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.